Hi everybody, Albert here from the Slot Boys Group SA on Facebook and the Slot Boys SA on TikTok. Please go like and follow our channel on TikTok and join our group on Facebook. Our GT3 proxy has come to an end, the proxy series. This is just a quick video, just a quick update on the cars that ended up first, second and third in the proxy series. It's going to be a very quick update. Let's start with a car that ended up in third place. This was my car, a Scale Auto BMW Z4. Tires, there's still tire left on this car. It will still do another few races. Inside of the car, stock standard, Scale Auto 20,000 RPM motor. Tires on my car was the Sideways 20XIT. Front, I've put up the hard low profile, no grip tire on the front rims. Yeah, that's the car that ended up in third place in the GT3 Proxy. Second place in the GT3 Proxy series, we've got this one. Sideways Ferrari 488. This was Sideways, the fantasy car number 1. Painted and owned by Brennan James, aka Hooligan as we know him. Also, I see inside his car, he's got it looks like a slotty pot, the motor pot. Also angle winder configuration. I know this car's got the Sideways Raptor motor in it, 21,400 RPMs. These tires took a beating, not as much tire left as on my car, on the BMW. Got it very well, ended up in second place. The fronts also looked like the Sideways no grip hard low profile tire. Also angle winder configuration. Congrats Brendan, second place in the series after 9 races. Very well done. Then in first place, you won't believe it, another Sideways Ferrari 488 fantasy car number 1. This car is owned and it was painted by Heinrich Jordan from the Slot Boys Group SA. We called it Cappuccino because it's supposed to be racing white, but it's got a bit of cream